Hello guys, use Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. This is LTE version. Start unpacking. Open box. Device in the gray color. Okay. In completion we have adapter for charging, USB Type-C cable and stylus. S Pen. Okay. Now talk about tablet. Tablet have full metal body on the back side, camera on the front side, 10.4-inch display, left side port USB Type-C, speaker on this side, speaker too, headphones jack on the right side, and this side power key, volume keys and slot for SIM card, LTE SIM card. Okay, turn on device. Resolution Full HD. Open Geekbench 5. This is TFT matrix. CPU Exynos 9611. This octa-core processor 4+4 cores, 2.3 and 1.7 GHz. GPU Mali G72. Resolution and display PPA. Okay, look results. Single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay. Open AnTuTu benchmark, look AnTuTu score. AnTuTu score. Ranking. Look ranking. My device. 96th place. Open settings. About tablet. Android 10 version 1U 2.1. Close this and run GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the tablet. Options. Display setup, max graphic level. Start game. Game works very good on the max graphic level. Okay, close this and talk about camera. Camera 8 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.